Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. I hope you all are doing great. So this is fourth lecture of ninth chapter of class 9th mathematics, that is circles. So first question for today is that A, B, C and D are 4 points on a circle. AC and BC intersect at a point E such that angle BEC equals to 130 degree and angle ECD equals to 20 degree, and we have to find BAC. So we know that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So angle BAC equals to angle CDE. And now using exterior angle property in angle ECD, if BEC is 130 degree, then angle angle CDE and angle DCE equals to 130 degree, right? So here it is 20 degree, and now we have to find this angle. So अगर ये एंगल एक्सटीरियर एंगल है तो EDC और DCE के सम के बराबर होगा. ये अगर 20 डिग्री है, so this will be 110 degree. And angle BAC equals to angle BDC and BTC equals to 110 degree. So this implies angle BAC equals to 110 degree. Also we can use another thing, that is BD is a straight line, right? And this is 30 degree. So this angle, that is DEC, is 50 degree, क्योंकि जो भी अगर लाइन पे दो एंगल्स होते हैं वो लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म करते हैं एंड उनका सम 180 डिग्री होता है. सो अगर ये एंगल 130 डिग्री है तो दिस एंगल विल बी 50 डिग्री, एंड इन दिस ट्रायंगल EDC ये 50 डिग्री है, ये 20 डिग्री है, तो ये 110 डिग्री हो जाएगा. एंड बाय द थ्योरम दैट एंगल्स इन द सेम सेगमेंट ऑफ अ सर्कल आर इक्वल, तो अगर ये 110 डिग्री है तो ये भी 110 डिग्री हो जाएगा. Now we will move to next question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are its diagonals, and if DB equals to 55 degree and BAC equals to 45 degree, we have to find BCD. Okay, so हमें firstly क्या given है कि ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means कि pair of opposite angles का sum 180 degree होगा. That is angle A plus C equals to 180 degree and angle B plus D equals to 180 degree. और क्या given है हमें that angle BBC, that is DBC, this angle is 55 degree. So we can say कि CAB will be also 55 degree because angle in the same segment are equal. So we can say कि CAD is equals to DBC equals to 55 degree. Therefore DAB, which is sum of CAD plus BAC, so that will be 55 degree plus 45 degree, that is 100 degree. So also since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so DAB plus BCD equals to 180 degree. So we can find the value of BCD as 180 degree minus 100, that is 80 degree. So BCD is 80 degree. Now we will move to the next question. Two circles intersect at 2 points A and B, and AD and AC are diameters to the circle. We have to prove that they lie on the same circle. हमें क्या given है that these are two circles which intersect at point A and B. Like these two circles intersect each other at point A and B, and AC and AD are diameters of the circles, right? And हमें ये प्रूव करना है that B lie on the line segment CD. So firstly we will join AB, right, like this. We know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So ABD, after joining AB, ABD is 90 degree. Similarly ABC is also 90 degree, because again this is a diameter, so this is a semicircle, so angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So ABD is 90 degree and also ABC is 90 degree. And we know that ABC plus ABD plus ABC equals to 180 degree. So this implies that this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. This implies that DBC is a straight line. So this implies B lie on the line segment DC. Now we will move to the next question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at point E, and if BBC is 70 degree, BAC is 30 degree, we have to find BCD, and further if AB equals to BC, we have to find ECD. Okay, so हमें क्या given है that in this figure ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and was diagonals, that is AC and BD intersect at point E, and फिर हमें कुछ angles given है, that is DBC is 70 degree and this BAC is 30 degree. So firstly we will consider the chord CD. We know कि angle in the same circle are equal, same segment are equal. So हमें क्या given है कि CBD जो है वो CAD के इक्वल हो जाएगा. So CBD, this is given to us as 70 degrees. So this angle CBD equals to CAD because angle in the same segment are equal. So CAD equals to 70 degree. Now BAD जो है that is this angle. BAD is the sum of these two angles. ये 30 degree है and ये 70 degree हमने अभी find out करा. So the total this angle is R 30 plus 70 100 degree. And also we know कि angle opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Right? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So BCD plus BAD is 180 degree. And हमने यहाँ पे find out करा BAD is 100 degree. So BCD जो होगा वो 80 degree आ जाएगा. Now consider हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट तो प्रूव कर दिया. सेकेंडली हमें गिवन है कि अगर AB इक्वल्स टू AC है तो हमें बताना है कि ECD की वैल्यू क्या होगी. सो अगर AB इक्वल्स टू BC है इन ट्रायंगल ABC तो एंगल ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल. तो हमें ये गिवन था कि ये 30 डिग्री है BAC, तो BC जो होगा वो भी हमारा 30 डिग्री हो जाएगा. ऑल्सो BCD जो है हमारा वो 80 डिग्री है. सो BCA प्लस ACD जो है वो 80 डिग्री है. राइट. So ACD जो हो जाएगा हमारा 50 डिग्री हो जाएगा and ACD, that is ACD and ECD is the same angle, so ECD is also 50 degree. Now next question is, if diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, we have to prove it is a rectangle. So एक cyclic quadrilateral है जिसके diagonals जो है सर्कल के diameters है. We have to prove that it is that cyclic circle quadrilateral जो है वो एक rectangle है. So how we will do is, यहाँ पे हमें given है कि AC और BD जो है वो diagonals है rectangle के and इस circle की जो है वो diameter है. Right. So firstly we have drawn a cyclic quadrilateral ABC inside the circle with center O such that AC and AD are diameters of the circle. And also we know कि angles in a semicircle are 90 degree. So ABC, BCD, that is ABC, BCD and then DAB and CDA all are 90 degree because angle in a semicircle are 90 degree. So अगर ये सारे 90 degree है तो ये आपस में equal भी हो गया and equal हो गए 90 degree हो गए. So this implies that ABCD is a cyclic ABCD is a rectangle. Now we will move to the next question. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle, right? So question is similar to the previous one. हमें क्या given है कि ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. So ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? We know कि opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral का जो सम होता है 180 डिग्री होता है. तो A plus equals to 180 degree. And since it is a parallelogram, so AC angle equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. So देखो cyclic quadrilateral का मतलब कि A plus C का सम 180 degree and B plus D का सम 180 degree, right? And cyclic parallelogram में मतलब opposite angles are equal. So A plus C equals to 180 degree and B plus D equals to 180 degree. So AC और BD equal भी है, right? So A plus C equals to 180 degree. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 times of A equals to 180 degree. So A equals to 90 degree. Similarly, A equals to C है तो A equals to C equals to 90 degree. Similarly, B plus D है वो भी 180 degree है, B और D equal भी है. So again B और C, B equals to C equals to 90 degree. सो इस पैरेललोग्राम के सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्री है, which implies ABCD is a rectangle. Hey students, this is all about today class. If you want to download the notes of this lecture, you can find the link in the description box. Also, if you want to download our app Studify Success, you can download from Play Store, and you can purchase our courses which are at very reasonable price and which provide you live classes and doubt solving facilities and regular test series. So all of them will help you to achieve a great score. Thank you. This is all about today class.